Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is Tom from Healthy Lifestyle here in sunny Florida. It's actually almost 12 o'clock here. I got up late. What's up with that? Is that like I'm retired? Hey, you guys ever had guacamole at maybe at a restaurant or at the store? You know, they used to make guacamole dips in Publix and places where you can actually dip for free, and they're trying to sell this particular dip. And they do that on the weekends. Guacamole was the number one favorite. So, how healthy is guacamole for you? Well, today we're going to talk about that. I'm going to give you like 20 or 30 points that are really good that you may find that guacamole needs to be enriched in your diet. So, the first thing foremost is, of course, it's seasonal. If you can get avocados, it's not normally a year-round product. Here in the Philippines, we get them seasonally here. It's not something that we can get on a regular basis, but it does make it nice to have them. So the good thing about guacamole is it's rich in healthy fats. It's loaded with heart healthy monosaturated fats. It helps inflammation and lowers cholesterol. You see my little baby here; he's helping. Boosts heart health. It found in guacamole can help improve blood pressure and heart disease. And as you know, a lot of times you don't realize how great the garlic and onion, it enhances uh, your heart. And actually promotes weight loss too. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, which helps maintain healthy skin and helps prevent aging. Number two on the list, it actually helps fight cancer. Antioxidants also have phytochemicals that found in avocados to prevent certain types of cancer. I think a lot of times we need to always take a look at the enriched foods that we have in front of us. And we don't really take a look at these foods. And if we take even just a few minutes to look at these foods that we have in front of us, we may find that there's great properties in a lot of foods. Guacamole actually improves digestion. The fiber in the guacamole can help your digestive system. Regulate bowel improvements. And like I said, it's really good for Alzheimer's disease. It helps your brain function because it reduces the risk of Alzheimer's. It lowers inflammation in your body, and we're actually looking for guacamole today. Apparently, I have inflammation in my legs and in my body because of this particular rash that I've had now for weeks. And the doctor gave me medication, but I don't know what it's caused by. It's not just me. Many guys have got it here. Guys, Filipino, American, British. Britt called me the other day and was telling me that he has the same thing I have. So, supports eye health. There is a product called zeaxanthin. It's in avocados that helps your aging eyes, and of course, it helps regulate your blood sugar levels. The healthy fats and fiber and guacamole can help regulate blood sugar levels. Of course, we know the benefits of onion and garlic. There's so many benefits of onion and garlic that you add to it. Cilantro has benefits in cilantro also. Olive oil, you add olive oil to it. Olive oil is something, they always say olive oil and fish oils are the key to long life here anywhere. And I started saying in the Philippines, but all throughout the world. My doctor was telling me, and he's had me on that for years, and I like it. It helps reduce stress. Vitamin B is found in avocados, and it puts you in a better mood. It reduces stress and improves your mood. I know that I would go out and I crave guacamole, still do to this day. And of course, I got many recipes. I got some hot and spicy recipes. I should do that. It actually boosts your immune function, and it protects you against illness. Osteoporosis is great for osteoporosis. It's got vitamin K in it, found in avocados, can help home health and osteoporosis. I think we all need to do that, is watch our bones, our bone health. If you're pregnant, you may crave avocados, and it's really a great item to crave because it's got folate in it. A lot of great things in avocados. The joints, we always have a joint pain and things like that. Reduces inflammation in the joints, and it can help reduce the pain in your joints. Avocados, if you try avocados, Even if you just a simple thing of having avocado added on a dip. You can add it on toast and bread and have it, or maybe to your favorite sandwich. Avocado, the guacamole dip itself can be used in many different things. You don't have to just eat it with chips and a dip. You can have it with toast and bread. There's many people add it. I used to add it, believe it or not, don't laugh. I used to, when I had my steak, I would put a big old heaping of guacamole to the side, and I'd have that with my steak. And baked potato. It's great for a topping of baked potato also. It actually also improves your cholesterol, and that is really important. It can also reduce your anxiety. Magnesium found in avocados can help anxiety, and it promotes relaxation. Avocados, if you would just try avocados, just give it a week of trying it, maybe not every day, every other day, a couple, 2 or 3 times a week. I think you'll find that you'll have more energy also, and it boosts your energy. And it has vitamin B in it, and the healthy fats. And like I said, it can always help reduce the fatigue. It helps regulate your hormone levels. The fats found in avocados can help regulate your hormone levels and promote hormonal balance. It enhances a lot of athletics also. It can improve the performance and give you the vitamins that you need for your muscles. It supports liver function because it has glutathione in it, found in avocados, can help your liver function and protect against liver damage. A lot of people would eat avocados, they go out drinking a lot, and at the next meal, the first thing they would grab is avocado and avocado dip when I was in Mexico, especially tequila. It's tough on your liver. So I'd be out with the guys and say, it's time for guacamole. And they would have guacamole and with their Mexican dishes and or on their tacos, whatever. And that was the thing. That was the thing to help the hangover. And you know what? I found that it helped my digestive, my stomach, and it reduced the acidic if I had that. So kidney stones, it helps prevent kidney stones. Potassium found in avocados, it prevents formation of kidney stones in your body. So if you're a person that's prone to kidney stones, what is the magic cure for that? And a lot of times if you look at avocado, it might be something you could look at. And it actually reduces the risk of stroke because it's healthy fats in guacamole. It improves your brain function and actually regulates your blood flow. And it also helps in your aging also. A lot of people don't realize aging is the key. In addition to health benefits, first of all, it can be used in dishes from tacos to burritos to salads and sandwiches. It's easy to make with just a few ingredients. It's convenient and nutritious, and it should be consumed in moderation, of course. Like I said, don't have it every day, but have it moderation. You can have it 2 or 3 times a week. It's not going to hurt you at all. Avocados are the star ingredient, and they are something that's really good for you. You can actually, like I said, it has C, vitamin C, E, K, and vitamin B. And the good thing about it is it's something that you can eat just about any time. And it actually kind of fills you up because it has benefits of other items in that also, like onions and cilantro and lime juice. It adds flavor to the dip. So, for example, it contains many things that's delicious and good for you. And it actually tastes pretty good. And if you use cilantro, lemon juice, everybody has a recipe of guacamole. It's really a simple dish. Some add a little sour cream to it. Some add just a little mayonnaise to it. Everybody has a variances. Some just don't add any. They add tomato, onion, olive oil with that, and a little lemon juice, a little salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. And you have to watch on your salt. Just don't put too much salt in there. Just put just a little bit, a pinch, to enhance the taste and the flavor of it. And I think really guacamole is something that we all love and we all like having. And I want to thank everybody for always watching my videos. And thank you so much for coming on. God bless everybody. And thank you on Tom and Ruth Healthy Lifestyle.